few minutes. Now, uma ukwazi ukuthi mina ngiyatrade ngisebenzisa ini i-head and shoulder. Uma utrader usebenzisa i-head and shoulder-ke kwenzakalani? I-entry yakho uyipicka ku-neckline, angithi? Eyani i-neckline yakho eyani? Head and shoulder. That's where you get in, that's where you buy, that's where you sell. Ayizwa le. Awuzitholi usela nanoma yikuphi. Guys, njengoba ngizoba live nama-student manje ne, ama-comment enangiwaresponde ne, responde ama-sengisedile nama-student. Sengesikhathi ngingabi nabo due to network, but ngizoba-add manje sengizonitshengisa ukuthi ngikhuluma ngale. Mangithi i-entry yakho uyithola kanjani? Angithi uma trader i-head and shoulder is like this. Right? Wena ku-market utrader i-head and shoulder. I-entry yakho uzoyithatha kuphi? Ku-neckline. Njengoba ngisho ukuthi i-entry yakho will be determined by the pattern that you are using. Yizwa le nto. So angeke uvesane ukuthi mina ngifuna ukwazi i-entry point yami ngoyithathaphi, but awazi ukutrader ini. Yizwa le nto. So when you must know ukuthi ngitrader ini ku-market yakho lizoba lula ukuthi entry point kube ne-entry point. Angazi noma ngiphendule kahle. Uma ngakuphendulanga kahle, let me know bafuna ukwazi ukuthola mhlawumbe enye indlela. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi namhlanje sizosebenza kanjani, but usually ngizoba ngikhuluma nama-student. Let me connect ukuthi nikwazi ukuba nabo ngevala ngalo because ngoba ngomsebenzi. Before I my student, let me show you something. This person, unfortunately, you won't see the on my website. Like, but I got some student. But our results now, which is what there's an in today. The one that is full. Our results, what it using this interpretation, and also the student. But who said the information able to be now, even our results we are who have been particular. I think it's a student very quick. So the ones who participate in the number encountering the ones who use on a conversation, like when you are because usually no longer if I conversation. Seventeen bako. Namhlanje angazi ngizoba nesikhathi esingakanani. Mhlawumbe ungaphinde ngibe live until late. Kuzodependa ku-network ukuthi ngiphethe kanjani. Guys, I can see ukuthi nikhona asibuyeni ngapha kubantu. Asibuyeni ngapha ku ngibiza nje ku-Zoom. Sizokwazi ukusebenza. Namhlanje ke sizoba nama-endless classes. Hopefully network angeke sihluphe along the way. And then what they call this thing, comment angeke ngiwaphendule while ngizoba live nama-student bafethu ne. Engangikwatile. Guys, group ngicela basondele ku-Zoom. Assembly sizokwazi ukuthi sipushe while silinde ama-student we can just continue bangene umsindo kancane. Friday, but with a spinning in me, Friday, I'm sorry. All right, Scat took 7 the match. So the bono bunya after. So Java must get took 7. Ah, yunjani? Oh, okay. Okay. So let's join again. Sibili nemsindweni. While we are also. Guys, ungasabi ukuthi uma une-question ubuze, ne? Okay. So siqhubeka ngomsindo lethu. Sanibona. Sanibona. Alifuna ukukhuluma nami namhlanje. Ningikwatela.
Sikhona.
Oh, hayi. Siyabonga maniphila. Bengithi nikwatile. Sanibona akekho ofuna ukungiphendula. Usiphe ngayo vele. Hayi, mina ngikuphenduli at all vele. Ikhombene.
I am sure network. Inkinga inkulu network.
Network iyabheda mistake. Awungitshela baba.
Delay some response.
Yeah, awungitshela. I've noticed ukuthi wena i-potential continuation pattern uyazithandela yona. Tshela mina.
Kakhulu.
Tshela mina ama-results wayo uma wasebenzisa athini?
Hayi mahle ama-results akhona ngoba engikufundile kuwena ukuthi uyalinda izifike lapho kwi-market lokhu zekhona u-highlight-e khona. Emva kwalokho I take the trade. That's why ngiwathanda kanjalo ngoba straight nje.
Njengoba ngi-live naku-TikTok, so there's a guy ekade ethi uhlulwa yi-entry njengoba ngishizo ukuthi ngizoba live ngapha nangapha. Now, uma wazi ukuthi i-entry yakho ikuphi, kuba lula ukuthi uthathe i-decision. And can you see i-time frame engiyo la? It's 6 hours. This is 6 hours.
6 hours, yes, ngiyayibona.
I-advantage yokuthi usebenzise u-higher time frame, awubi ne-stress seriously ukuthi manje i-market ibehave kanjani, but you just relax.
Hayi cha leyo nto ngiyibonile ngempela i-powerful ukuthi ungabi greed ukuthi uthatha ama-low time frame uthi ufuna ukuthola quick money. Le kwi-higher time frame hayi it's really accurate ngoba ngempela mayibuya iza lapha i-market la i-continuation pattern ikhona izothatha i-direction le fanele ithathe. Uma uyazi into oyifundile you apply the skill. Phelile nje kunjalo.
And uma singathi yabuka wonke lama-pattern engihlale ngikhuluma ngawo aphume the way and asebenza the way. So now I want to know which yini inkinga, like where's the problem? Kungani mhlambe ningaveli nithi kimi hey ngiyabona kuyiwa phambili but hey yabona where's the problem? Because besides ukuthi ama-patterns aniyakwazi ukuwasebenzisa, omunye angawazi but abe ne-fear to get in good trade. That's another problem eyenza ukuthi abantu bangafiki la baya khona. Now they are scared ukuthi bangene. Because manje I'm going to tell you an example with this information yesterday. Let's say for instance ufuna ukungena la ubuke this potential continuation. I'm on 6 hour time frame. Now because of a potential continuation pattern, it is a continuation of a trend. Someone will to make buga. We will le shandis on our left hand side. I'll tell you now we have a downtrend. And I always say, ungathi umubuke market ubuke lento ofuna ukuyibona wena. Ukuze uzithole usafe uba accurate. Sebenzisa lokho ebakunike kona. Uma nje sibuka njengala yes inani sine potential continuation pattern. We know ukuthi the market mayifika izoreacta kanjani. But someone might be confused for kungani i-reacte ngale ndlela le. Now, uma uyibuka ufaka i-horizontal line yakho kanti you realize that une-resistance that was broken, became a support. Wenze njani? Usebenzise i-information onikezwe yona, awucreate-anga into engekho izolento. And now, knowing very well ukuthi ngithe siqala ku-higher time frame, you know ukuthi sine-uptrend. As much as sigo higher time frame, siyazi ukuthi i-destination yethu ila. Therefore, kumele senze njani? Sifunde ama-opportunity e-1, ewe-buy. Uma i-reverse ibuya ku-break of structure, uyazi ufuna i-entry yakho la. I-entry yakho ozoyithatha la, uyoyithathiswa yini? resistance that was broken this side. Therefore, we are looking for what? The uptrend. Now, I always say, uma sibuka i-uptrend, sisebenzisa i-downtrend. I-downtrend yakho eyani yokuthi uplace i-take profit. So you take profit yakho ikuphi, it's on your left hand side. You just wait ukuthi ifike to that level or that potential continuation pattern or the pattern that you are using. Then uma sekwenzeke njalo, uba safe by all means. Uma singathi sibuka ama-results wethu la aphume kanjani. Now, izehlele yafika kuphi? Yafika phansi. Ijikiso yini laphayana ezansi. I always say, i-market uma iya phezulu sirelaya kuphi? 1 minute. I-market uma iya phezulu sizosebenzisa ini? I-uptrend. I-market uma iya phansi sisebenzisa ini? I-uptrend. Now, i-market isuke la yaba yini? Yaba i-downtrend. Ukuze wazi ukuthi uyophuma kuphi kanjani, you come back to this uptrend. You notice with flip laphayana nginani ine-support fresh, therefore i-market izobuya la ukuthi kwenzekeni laphayana. Yonke lento oyenzayo kuvesane kube lula ukuthi uthathe i-decision ngokuthi usebenzise le information ebakunike yona, but uma uzofuna ukusebenzisa eyakho i-information, that's when uzoba nama-difficulties. Angazi noma mhlawumbe sihamba sonke. Guys, khulumani nje i-difficulty yenu ikuphi sizothola i-solution. Siyabonga bafukhona. Ngathi nisemsebenzini anikhona nokuphendula bafethu. Friday namhla, Nkosi yami, kodwa mina vele kulungile. Now guys, i-difficulty ibe khona in most of the time into enginotisayo, you guys are struggling ukuthi nikwazi ukuthatha ama-entries. I-reason leyo because ukuthi niyapanic. And once uqala uphanika, ayikho into right ozoyenza. Kanjani? Awubuke njengala. Mina ngihlale ngisho ukuthi personally I prefer to trade on a higher time frame. Uma ngithi personally I prefer to trade on a higher time frame, ngiyazi kumele ngene kuphi la ngamele ngene khona. If ngathi uya-check ama-videos engiwafake engiwa-uploade recent, I've been talking about the same thing. Ngitshengisa le nto engikhuluma ngayo nayo iyenzeka. Njengamanje ngine-trade eyaphansi la, but i-trade yami kwenzekeni ngayo, ngithole isimuvile away from la kumele ngithathe i-entry khona. Eyizwa lento. Now, i-difficulty ibe khona-ke abantu abafesana nayo. Umuntu uzofuna ukujumpa in ku-moving trend. Now, ngenze kanjani ukuthi ngithole i-entry la? I-entry yami was supposed to be here. Why bekumele ngibe ne-entry la? Who can show me ukuthi entry sengitshengisile? No need to ask. I-entry ebekumele ngibe nayo la, i-entry ebekumele ngiyithathe ibe yi-sell based on what I have on my left hand side. Eyizwa lento. Kodwa-ke manje angisakhonanga ukungena in time. Sekumele ngenze njani? Ngiyofuna i-entry echubeka ne-trend. Now we go to 8 hours. Uma sifika ku-8 hours, we still have the same thing. Njengoba ngithi mina higher time frame ngiyawuthanda because of yonke into yakho ni-clear. Manje ngiyazi i-market isuka kuphi? Isuka ku-potential continuation pattern. Iya kuphi? Iza ku-potential continuation pattern. Angazi noma le nto engizama ukuyiveza iyaveza. Angazi noma network yami ngathi inedrama nyana, so ngizwakala kahle.
Kahle.
Okay, but uyayibona lento engizama ukuyiveza. Now we are on a 8-hour time frame. Yonke into yethu i-clear la.
Yeah, no.
Angazi noma mhlambe kukhona la mhlambe mina angichazi kahle.
You make it easy. That's a C1, man. I don't know what happened.
Yes, le nto leyo most of the time iba yi-challenge. Uyazi ukuthi le challenge leyo si-overcome kanjani ke ukuze uzithole mina nje ngisha ukulinda jo. Ngiyangifuna ukulinda Jehova. All right, sizoyikhava nayo leyo kulini. Now, into ebakhona ehluphayo. Uma uzothi uvula imarket yakho kanje, uvula i-chart, does it matter ukuthi uthatha liphi i-chart? Vula with understanding, wazi ukuthi mina ngi-trader ini. That's rule number 1. Uma wazi u-trader ini, yonke into yakho ivesane ibe lula. Ngena ku-market, wazi mina ngizotrader 1, 2, 3. Uma lento le ingekho, awuyi-trade. Uyayizwa le? Lento le yenza izinto zivesane zibe lula in such a way ukuthi nawe sowuyazi wenzani. Now, ukuze ukwazi ukuthi uzibonele uma ungasekho, yenza kanjani? Every time masiqeda ukuba ne-session, vula i-chart lakho uyibuke lento ebengikhuluma ngayo, so that it will be easy for you ukuthi uyibone. And uma unga-understand, unamalungelo aphelele ukuthi ufike kimi usho ukuthi hayi, ngizamile angiboni, so that I can assist ngibone ukuthi inkinga yakho ibe kuphi kanjani. Because I tried by all means yonke lento ngiyenzela yona ibe clear, mafethu angifuni ukukhuluma manga. Othi angiyenzi ibe clear. Yeba?
Mina, I think my mistake. Can I take a pen?
Yes, it's okay.
Okay, well, like here. I have a tendency of saying, okay, it's going up, so you rally, base, rally. Yeah. And then meanwhile, this is a drop, base drop on it.
Yes.
What kahle. So this long candle nasa figala, which means, and then it goes down. Actually rally, base rally. Waiting to be tested and going up. I think I start counting the rally from this candle going up, and then get base. I mean, in green, I think, yeah, not seeing a pambanis. You rally, base, rally. Or is this a drop, base, drop?
When it is going up, we have a rally. When it's going down, we have a drop. So here's in a drop, and then here we have a rally.
So my mistake here, in a tendency of this one as the first candle.
Yes.
And then I'll say this is the second, and then I say this is the third. So the meaning would mean I'm reading it as a rally, base, rally.
Oh.
Do you understand my mistake? I think that's where my major mistake is. Looking at this candle, the lay, as my first candle. Then I'll assume it's green, it's red, it's green. Therefore, I am going up.
Okay.
Yeah.
Layer challenge yakho singayilungisa kanjani? Asithathe le pair siyisebenzise. Manje we're gonna go to monthly time frame. This is our monthly time frame. Let me try to erase everything. Monthly time frame wethu sesizuma out siyawubuka wonke ume kanje. Now we want to understand ukuthi market isoka kuphi yakhe. Ikhomba istructure sani so ukuthi yona ifuna ukuya phezulu. Okay, kulungile njengoba isikhomba ukuthi ifuna ukuya phezulu. Sizofuna ama-opportunity e1 ewe-buy. Kodwa ningawari ngithethe ASL lapha, I'll explain why ngithethe ASL, but sifuna ama-opportunity ewe-buy. Ngihlale ngisho lento leyo, do not go against the direction ye-market uma usengabanga ne-experience. Ne? Sharp. Let's move to daily time frame. Daily time frame wethu kumele sibone ukuthi ume kanjani and kumele a-corresponde nobani? No monthly time frame. Monthly time, I'm sorry, saying to my weekly. Now, sesiyazi i-market iya kuphi. Sifuna something else esingayi-add as a supporter ukuthi sigo uptrend. We have to check everything esizoba nayo la. Siyabona ukuthi okay fine lana sine-trend line kodwa asazi ukuthi accurate kangakanani, therefore we have to check. Only to realize the trend line needs to be accurate. Can you see that? Sinani, sine first time touch, sine second time touch, and then this is where we are looking for a buy opportunity. Okay, kulungile isimuvile away yaba yi-buy. When we asked, okay, mina market, I'm only trading a potential continuation pattern. Long. Now, we are analyzing, you want to check which market is therefore when uzofuna ini mawuche trade. So what I'm going to do now, I will move to smaller time frame as well, of which is going to be 12 hours. 12 hours one ugaj. I have nothing much a combo with a market downtrend over much by looking at what we have. Right? So from here to the uptrend, we move to 8 hours. With 8 hours with we are combo, we do have something as a combo to market will push down before ERPs. Now, when as a trader or trader in potential continuation pattern, what is it that you have to do here? You have to wait for the market to reach the rally phase rally and then you trade early buy, early correspond and IP time frame, time frame, monthly time frame. Uma ubuka na ile rally phase rally ngikhuluma ngayo ila. I-rally yethu ithini, we are pushing the market up. Daily time frame uthini see uptrend. Weekly time frame uthini see uptrend. And then this is one of the higher time frames engiwasebenzisa. Therefore, uzomuva uye ku 6 hours mhlambe if we are scared ukusebenzisa higher time frame. Angitsho niyazi ngispecialize ngani nge-rally phase rally or nange-drop phase drop. Wayebona okay sebamove away from this one. Angisakwazi ukungena. Or uma ngifuna ukungena la, I have to move ngama time frame. Phase ngifika kubani ku 6 hours. Ku 6 hours uveza ini, uveza i-drop phase drop. I'm pushing the market down. Now, for you to have more confirmation, ukuthi siyaphansi then, you move again to which time frame? To 4 hours to check with 4 hour ume kanjani. 4 hour la usiphathele ini, usiphathele i-structure esani, ese support that was broken, it became a resistance. Faka i-horizontal line yakho kanje. Une-break structure. Therefore, so we have siku downtrend much. The market is a result. You move to 3 hours. Ufuna in manje uzofuna i-entry ezo corresponda nani ne direction oyithole la kula time frame as we are moving down. Angithi la bathini we are pushing the market down. You know bazoyipusha iye phansi izophelela kuphi. Here from here we are pushing the market up. Angithi manje ufuna i-entry. Now I'm also showing you the importance of using our time frames wrong. Let's move to 2 hours. 2 hours uveza in la, uveza supply and demand. Ngathi in the beginning of a new trend sithola in supply and demand. Umuntu osebenzisa i-higher time frame uthole i-entry yakhe already here. Ozothini usebenzisa u-smaller time frame naye uzoyithola i-entry yakhe again here. Sesinenye entry uma uye ku-smaller time frame futhi uzothola i-entry e-accurate. Angenze so. Ubani oyibonayo uma kuwukuthi usegroupini uyayibona ngicela ungi-highlight-ele yona. But i-entry ebe accurate ibikuphi. And uma ukhumbula ngikhuluma nge-support and resistance, ngayi-explaina le nto ngathi always observe for this thing that they call i-fake out. Kwenzakaleni la kulaba abayikhumbulayo i-support and resistance ngendlela engayi-explaina ngayo. Angithi lana sinani sine-support, it was broken. And then bekumele market izo-reversala. I'm on 2 hour time frame, if you can see up there. The majority iyobeka in iyothatha i-entry eyani sell here, and then they're gonna place their stop loss right above to give the market a space to breathe, of which is good. But then the market yenzeni imove yaya kuma stop losses wabo before iba downtrend. Therefore, ungenalo lwazi enough yothini, no, the market kade ihunter ama stop losses wami, the market was pushing towards ama stop losses and stuff. Also grouping, okay, na answer isolent. Now you guys know, flip says grouping, we know very well, senior support here, and then senior break structure, and then we have this guy that was left unattended, fresh and clean. Therefore, we know which we're gonna come back and take our interest rate. La majority of places in our stop losses. This thing le oibona la by the for a reason. They know which so many people will look for sell opportunities here. And then they're going to place their stop losses above. And then I'm sharing a reason. Bayazi ukuthi masipusha iyala phayana iyothatha ama-interest wawo wonke umuntu ongenela wafaka stop loss yakhe ngaphezulu. And then yenzani from there iya-reverse iya ku-direction yakho. Ngifuna ukuthi ube semcondweni wabo. Ngikufundisa ukuthi uma usebenzisa higher time frame ubenefita kanjani. Asizume inisibuke futhi ngale ndlela ne. Now we know ukuthi i-entry yethu bekumele ibe kuphi accurately here. I'm on 2 hour time frame. When you have the time frame, now asibuke ngokomqondo womuntu othethe i-entry la wabeka i-stop loss yakhe ngaphezulu. Ishaya i-stop loss yabuya yehla yazovala. yakhuphuka futhi yathi ubuya yavula nge-candlestick elinjani eli-red yehla yabona ithe uma iyehla wabona flip kade yenza i-fake out isikhathi ukingene manje ngisela wangena wasela this candlestick was pushing the market down, can you see that? Wangena wasela uthe meqeda ukusela la imarket stop loss yakho sibeke ngaphezulu uthethe i-loss already uyangena futhi manje seka-confident enough ukuthi it's a sell uyangena wenzani uthi sell ubeka i-stop loss yakhe ngaphezulu kwenzakaleni yakhumbula ukuthi ngathi mina in a beginning of a new trend sifika kunani i-supply and demand ushaye i-supply and demand while bebayi-create so kwenzakaleni lo muntu ojampe in ku-moving trend because of imshayile lapha siya ku-direction yakhe usebone ukuthi flip laphayana kunani kune-fake out therefore ngifuna i-sell sengishayile sekumele ngichubeke ne-moving trend ma wenza njalo iya-reverse iyaphezulu i-create i-supply and demand i-kicker out again ikushaye iya ku-direction A1 uyabona ukuthi seyi-wrong yonke lento uma seyisolve kanti no umsebenzi wakho omncane just wait so uyazi wena ukuthi flip laphayana sine-fake out laphayana ngaphezulu kunani kune-support it was broken and then ngaphezulu kwe-support before breakout nginani ngine-potential continuation pattern therefore I'm going to look for my entries on the potential continuation pattern. Why? Because of ayichelanga from i-break of structure so yes okay fine ngifuna i-sell now mangathi yini right now egroupini sizofuna i-opportunity eye-sell aba-trader i-supply and demand entry yabo izoba kuphi la kule downtrend. You can use your pen to highlight. Kulaba abasebenzisa i-supply and demand ama-entries wabo bayawathatha kuphi not i-potential continuation pattern not i-support and resistance but specifically those who are using i-supply and demand ama-entries wabo bayawathatha kuphi not unless like groupini majority ayifuni ukusebenzisa i-supply and demand kubuke kanjalo vele ithi ngibone ubani abasebenzisa i-supply and demand nami ngibona njalo ukuthi ngathi akekho kurenge umuntu akhuluma nge-supply and demand but i-majority potential continuation pattern this is correct so now uma uzazi wena usebenza supply and demand what is it that you have to do kumele ulinde market ibuye izotesta i-supply and demand so that you can get your entry to push the market down uyabona ukuthi kulula kangakanani this is accurate uyayibona ukuthi fresh bazopusha bayitesta bese bachubeka nge-trend. Now I'm gonna erase everything. Yes, nasi isandla. I don't see ukuthi ubani but ngibona ukuthi user. What's your question?
Mr. Pillar.
Yes.
No, angithi bobuza ukuthi ubani lo wasebenzisa kwi-supply and demand. So the user le yimi Andrew ne.
Oh.
Yeah, ngisegroupini namhlanje anyway.
Mina ngisakubona phela ngithi so user. I don't know what happened.
Yeah, nami I don't know what happens. Yeah, kaningi I almost use a supply and demand, especially when I trade gold.
Okay.
Yeah, so I was answering your question anyway.
Uyayisebenzisa supply and demand.
Yes.
I would say mhlambe egrouping mhlambe uyi-one because the majority bakhala nge-potential continuation pattern but angibasoli.
Yeah, and then I still have another question regarding the potential continuation candle.
This one.
Let me do this. Ne? I'm going to highlight it here. Uyabona la nga-highlighta khona ngithi.
Yes.
Yeah. Did you see this potential continuation candle, how big it is?
Yes.
So I need to know before we can see our opportunity as sell, how do we know that now is time to see a trade because of I don't know we have to wait for the market to come here or in the middle of potential continuation candle. So young shaya I don't know
okay, that's a good question.
Yeah.
Now, kuya ngayo ukuthi yona market ifuna ukubehave kanjani, I understand. what I do, as soon as the market is in that candlestick, most of the time, if you have a candlestick, you reject. So I don't wait ukuthi ingene ngaphakathi. Sometimes izongena iyojika almost ngaphezu kwale candlestick bese reverse. For an example, uma sibuka ngaphezulu, we have so many of them here. Nayo yabona kwenzekeni push almost towards the end of the candlestick or towards the end of the base. Yabona later on they continue with the actual direction. So i-entry yakho makuso uzoyithatha kuphi? Uzoyithatha accurate as soon as izothintana. Now njengoba ngisho ukuthi mina personally I prefer to use a higher time frame. Omunye umuntu mhlambe angathi mina anginamali ukuthi ngingatrade ku higher time frame yabona. Uprefera smaller time frame akunankinga. Ku smaller time frame ungayithatha i-entry yakho using ama potential continuation pattern afana. If you recall which time frame was that? 8 hour. A potential continuation pattern enkulu about ingakanani. It's very huge. So we have mangithatha this potential continuation pattern. Stop some sibe ngaphezulu. Look at this one. Singiveze kahle. About huge kanjani. Uma ngizoyithatha stop some sibe ngezansi. So uma kuwukuthi mhlambe omunye umuntu uyanqena ukuthi athathe i-potential continuation pattern ekanje. What is it that I would advise omunye umuntu akwenze? Let's go to 4 hour. Uma ubuka u4 hour une-potential continuation pattern encane yabona. Naya laphaya. But le iphinde ibe dangerous because of on a higher time frame potential continuation pattern yethi inkulu. And whereas the market most of the time respect a higher time frame than a smaller time frame. So ingakwazi ukudlula a little bit here. Iphinde reverse phezulu. Wena ubuke only u4 hour time frame. One of the difficult iba kuphi. Now, I guess totally any ezoba accurate ezofana nale eka 2 hour ezojika on the dot. Sibone ukuthi sizoyithola to answer your question again. Excuse me. Yabona nje uma sibuka njengale ijike on the dot. See highlight. Yabona? So into enokwenzeka ke ibe kuphi mawuzoba nalokuthi okay mina ngizofuna ukuthi ngiyeke izongena iyojika ngaphakathi a little bit ukuthi ngingazitholi mangabe iba against me ngiluze kakhulu. Uzofaka uzofaka i-stop loss yakho ngaphezulu of which la kumele usibeke khona phela. Then uzofuna ukulinda at least ingene ngaphakathi ibe halfway so that I can sell. Ingafiki lapha yani ithinte accurate reverse. Now once yenga reverse ila uzoqala ukwenza amaphutha khona. Amaphutha ayoba kuphi kanjani? Uyobona ungathi hayi iyabuya ithi ngilini. By the time you notice ngecandlestick mhlambe le 3 or 4 ihambile. So uzofuna ukuthatha i-entry sekulate already. And uyazi uma uzothatha i-entry yakho la uzoba safe khona stop loss yakho kuzokumele sibe la. And now risk management yakho ayisabalance. So for you to be safe, i-entry yakho yithatha on the dot. And according to angazi uzoyichaza kanjani, but I would advise any of you would trade a potential continuation pattern, wait for the market to touch the candlestick early base, and then you take a trade. Let's move forward. Sizokwazi ukuyithola any example ezoba similar. Let's go to 1 hour. So 1 hour, 1 hour usiphathele phi. Now, 1 hour wethu uthini? Let's check. We don't have much on 1 hour. Nayi njengoba you do trade the supply and demand. Now supply and demand in the beginning of a new trend. Abangazi supply and demand, the supply and demand is always located in the beginning of a new trend. Now I call everyone. You can just stipulate today, it was red. Everyone, here's also chigala. Yanyunga testa ini the supply and demand. The entry yako ibu. It's not so much money. So here is our supply and demand. The entry acquires uzoyithatha la kule supply and demand, and then stop sakho sizoba ngaphezulu. Uyabona ukuthi ingene kangakanani. Ingene yaya almost to the end of the candlestick ele supply and demand, but later on yaqhubeka ne actual trend. Sometimes
Okay.
utrader yona i-supply and demand. Let's look for i-supply and demand enye ukuthi ithesteke kanjani. Khona like that 2 hour. Let's go to 2 hour. 2 hour. Nine. But lana kunezinto eziningi ezenzakele lana ukuze ubone hey kumele uye extra mile. Ngila uma ubuka la angithi ngiyazi ku beginning of a new trend sifica kunani. Beginning of a new trend, market kade i-downtrend, I'm on 2 hour time frame. Nayo supply yethu yabona bayitheste kanjani, bayithestile wena i-stop loss sakho sikubusila ngezansi. But now i-difficult esinayo entsha sha. What happened ukuthi market izovula la on Monday ithe mayivula ivule yazojika la. Why ijike la specific? I want to see something. Any idea, guys? What happened? Isuke laphayana la angithi seyithestile ini i-supply and demand. Now, sibuyela to a point enhlale ngisho ngithi do not find yourself jumping in moving trend. That's not safe. Imagine usubone flip now sine uptrend. Imarket isuka kuphi? Isuka ku supply and demand. That means we are now going up. Uzobhaya la expecting ukuthi izonyuka iye phezulu, and then this is what happened after. Why ijikela specific? Oh, sorry. Someone was highlighting. Let me see. Erase a site in Lama, please. But lento highlightile ngibonile ukuthi ngiyavumelana naye. Ngicela iveze again. First time, second time. Yes. Done. Uyabona ukuthi trader akumelanga ubuke lokhu wena ufuna ukubona but sebenzisa lokho ebakunike kona. Guys, ngiyasenvite ayiseke into enidingayo. Yonke lento engifundisa yona apply the way ngifuna ngakhona futhi. Nayi first time touch, nayi second time touch. This is where we're supposed to buy. Uma usubona ukuthi nayi market iya-reverse. Relax, wait uthi ibuyela so that you can find yourself buying. Uma kuwukuthi usebenzisa ini, usebenzisa i-trend line. You step in, you do what you buy. Pushing the market up. Look at how the market moved. We are peso.
Yeah. And then I have another question again.
Yes.
Actually, I'm gonna go deeper.
It's fine.
Okay. Mr. Pillar, what I need to know, it's very important. Let me highlight this trend line again. Kaningi mina if I ngithatha ama trade ne into lengibhayizisa-ke ukuthi I need to know ukuthi how do you know ukuthi the candle goes above or below. Sometimes you can do this. Let me just okay. I just want to do okay. Maybe let's take if I get trend line and then I'm waiting for the market to come for the third touch.
Yes.
You know, sometimes the market can penetrate before banyuka baya phezulu.
Yes.
So I need to know how do we to identify the candle. Okay, this one it goes above before ya phezulu or it goes below if it trend line yami maybe ihlezi kanje. Sometimes bangayenza so banyuke and then penetrate babuye baye ngaphansi.
And then baqhubeke together.
So I don't know how to identify the candlestick with okay, this is the right time putting 30 trade. Do you understand what I'm trying to say?
Yes, I get your point. But the sad part is most of the time I'm trend lines. Most of the time, not always, most of the time I'm trend lines angama zero float. What do I mean mangitama zero float? Unfortunately, guys, we are left with 4 minutes, but I do have time. So now, when most of the time, bafike bathi first time angithi bathi second time with that touch they just touch with the touch and reverse same time. Ububuka most of the time i-trend line esikhathini esiningi bayithesta ngani bayithesta ngama-weeks. I-week elifika lapha ku-the touch liya-rejecta, more especially if you are trading gold or Nasdaq. Ama-results aphuma ngaleyo ndlela le, but it's not always. Kuyenzeka ba-penetrate a little bit. That's where I get in and tell you, always remember to give the market a space to breathe. It was a phefumula. No, it's okay, fine.
Yeah.
From here, i-entry yami ila. I'm willing to take mhlambe i-loss mhlambe ka-300 per trade. Yabona? Uyazikalela wena according to i-account yakho ime kangakanani, but ungayi kakhulu. Because kala ubuthi, okay, from here, ngiyazi uma izo-penetrate iye ngale, then that means i-trend line yami ayiphumanga kahle. I send the example one. I send the example A1. If you look at what happened here, most of the time they can just let's use the line chart. Going back to our candlestick, fake trend line yakho uzobona ukuthi how accurate it is. This is how people get manipulated to market, but then
this one I can see.
You can see.
I can see. Remember, last I was trading gold.
Yes.
And then I was trading on daily. I think I sent you some chart, ne?
Yes.
Yeah, so iyo into lingangishaya ngoba I think I was doing good. I made it was 120K, I think, yeah. And then just the penetration yangishaya on the same time.
I remember last week want to mail them something, and then what if we are supposed to have a session. I don't know what happened.
Yeah, yes.
So
iyo ngangishaya le ukuthi I was supposed to wait for the candle to close below before I can take the trade. Yeah, but so penetrate on the trend line get daily.
Yeah, penetrate. I think
yes,
masibuya manje sikhe sivisithe i-gold a little bit and go and check ukuthi kwenzekeni mhlambe there is something cause that penetration engenza ukuthi kusasa iphinde ibe i-trouble yabona to prevent into efana nalezi, because now enye into ekwenza ube safe ma analyze or ma trade, buka lokho ebakunike kona, ungasebenzisi lokho wena okucabangayo, understand, knowing very well ukuthi okay fine laba share something like this in the beginning of the new trend. Now, i-market in direction yakhona ithi uptrend. Uyazi okay fine, uma i-direction ithi uptrend, ku-smaller time frame nginani la? Do I have something ezothi lo maka-reactor imlethe kulo bese lo iphushela phezulu? Because most of the time bayenza into efana le, athi sibuke le example uzobona ukuthi abantu abaningi basala kuphi kanjani. Uma sibuka njengala we are left with 1 minute angazi sizokwazi ukucover. Uma sibuyela ku-6 hour or plus, la sinani sine potential continuation pattern okuyile. Sine potential continuation pattern okuyile. I-market yabo kuyenzeka iphushe yazofika roughly here. I-stop loss sakho singaphezulu kwe-potential continuation pattern. Irrespective yabuya yehla yazojika la. Njengoba ngisho omunye umuntu uyokwenzani, uyoprojecta ngibonile i-potential continuation pattern i-capable of what? Like looking at what happened here, yabona imove i-market kanje, that means nala kuzokwenzeka the same thing, I'm gonna make a lot. Ukhohlwe ukubuka ukuthi wena ubekelwe ini etafuleni that you can use ukuthi ube safe. Now looking at what happened, unani la une-break of structure, eventually they will push the market up. So most of the time lento le iyaba yinkinga ebantwini abaningi, because uzobuka no I expect ukuthi izoya up, ingayi up i-reverse. Abafethu, we have less than a minute, so ngicabanga ukuthi in 10 minutes time ngizo create another session. Ngicela ukuthi sikale u-10 minutes, then we're gonna come back because izokhatha in no time from now. On a question, abuye